Hello friends, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel by Florence Tracker. In today's video, we are going to make a simple matcha tea. And this is very healthy and it has a herbal medicinal to it. So I am going to put everything together and we'll see how it tastes like. I love it and I want to show you how you can just make this very simple tea every morning if you wish to. So join me as I put everything together. See you. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using organic green tea, which is matcha tea. This is the traditional medicinal one. They have all kinds. This is the one I like because it's really it's immune boosting and healthy for the body. And I'm going to take just one bag. Alright, so I took one tea bag, and what I do is the normal way you have to do it. This is just a hot boiling water, 1 glass of that. You pour it on this in a cup and then let it steep for 5 minutes before you use it. For me, I don't have the time, so I have 1 warm glass of water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to pour the water on it, and I'm just going to have it boil quickly. So the pan is already warm, so it's not going to take much, and it's going to infuse everything that I need in this tea. I'm taking this off so it doesn't burn. And then I'm going to use a lemon, but half cut of this lemon is what I'm going to use. You can use the full one if it's not too strong for you, but I just want to use half because the lemon is big. And then also I'm going to use just 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger powder. I'm going to add that to it as well. And then 2 tablespoons of honey. So now that this is about to boil, what I'm going to do is I'm going to knead my lemon. So I'm kneading the lemon so it will be easy. I can get more juice out. It really helps to make the juice easier because it's a little bit tough. But when it's a little bit soft, you'll be able to squeeze most of the juice out. And I'm just going to let this boil for 1 to 2 minutes. And I'm just going to cut this in half. I'm just going to lower the heat. And as you can see, it's almost infused. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to drain all this in my jar with all the tea bag, and you can see how it dissolved already, the green color and everything. And then I'm just going to use my spoon to squeeze a lot of this out. Just press my hands on this and we get every juice out of here. Okay, now that is done, what I do next is I am going to just add the ginger powder, and this is 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. And I'm going to drop that in. And I am going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. So this is 1. This is a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons, and 4 teaspoons. That should be 2 tablespoons. And now the next thing I do is I'm going to squeeze my lemon juice in here. Already the matcha tea itself, it has the herbal medicine in it and it invigorates the body. That's why it's really good to have this in the morning. You can have this 3 times a day depending on how you feel, but for me, I have this sometimes in the morning and then sometimes in the evening too. Okay, once I squeeze all this in, you can use a full lemon juice. I just want to use a half one. Okay, now I'm just going to stir, and you can see how the color of the tea, everything looks so lovely. And I'm going to give a taste to this and I'll tell you exactly how it comes out, and you can make this. This is so simple to make and very, very healthy for you. Hello friends, so we just finished with our matcha tea today. There is half lemon squeeze in here. There is 1 glass of boiling tea, which we boil the matcha tea bag in, and there is 2 tablespoons of honey. There is 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger that we put in, and I'm going to give it a taste to see how this comes out. This is really, it's a little strong. You taste the matcha itself in it, and then the ginger is just very light, but then the lemon juice also incorporates everything. And this is just a quick tea that you can make in the morning or in the evening. I like this because of how healthy it is to drink compared to maybe anything else that you want to drink in the morning. With this alone, invigorates the body. It gives you energy because of the ginger that we put in, and also gives you vitality when you drink this. So that's why I like matcha. I know there is the tea bag, there is a powdered one you can use, but today I'm just going to show you how to make this simple tea at any time of the day. You can drink this 3 times as long as you like the taste, and it is healthy. So I would like you to try this and just leave a comment for me what you think about it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share. And also if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and just leave me a comment to see how you taste this or how you like it. You don't have to add the ginger if you don't like the ginger. So this is just my preference of ginger because I know the health benefits that you get from using the ginger. So that's why I add ginger to it. If you don't like ginger, do not add ginger. Just make it simple as you can enjoy. And I'll see you on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.